guys, and welcome to another Simple Kids Crafts video. Today I wanted to show you all of the different purses that I have made for my dolls, and these are basically the ones that I have made this year and last year as well. And let's get started. So here we have some of the little purses that I made for Barbie, and these are all themed with Barbie and made with foam. Most of them were made the same way, and I'll put a link in the description down below on how you can make them. These are a little bit more Japanese inspired purses, which I really loved, and I made little bows. These are Hello Kitty purses, and you can see that some of them have zippers on them because I wanted them to open and close. This is a little bit bigger, and I made it for Barbie to go shopping with it. And then we have some that are Elsa inspired, Anna inspired, Frozen going on in here. And then we have some that are with different shapes. I just wanted to make them different shapes, and basically that's what I came up with. Then we have the black ones here that I really like. These are a little bit more classic for Barbie and for other dolls. Then we have book bags, and most of my book bags are gone right now because I usually give them away. These are the ones that are here in the house, and some animal inspired ones. I hope that you like these. I actually removed some of the stuff in them, so I don't know if you can tell. This one was made with a sock. Like I said, most of my stuff is made with foam. These are fruit inspired or food inspired ones, and they're very easy to make. I'll be putting the link for all of them down below. Some of the ones that were inspired by mermaids, and others that were inspired by Halloween as well. And you can see that I am using almost the same materials in each one of them, so you can get those at home. Again, we have panda inspired ones, and basically I'm showing you everything that I made. There were 2 bags of my purses, but I only opened up this bag. Let me know on the comments down below if you would like to see more bags, or if you would like to see food that I have made for the dolls, or other accessories, or if you want to see hair things, or whatever you guys want to see. Let me know down below, and I'll put a compilation of all of the things that I have made together and show you on the next video. Well, I hope that you like this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys! Thanks for watching!